here for another video. I kind of want to open something new for you guys. So my best friend, she sent me a late Christmas present. Um, and like I haven't opened it. I literally just got it yesterday. Like I'm pretty sure it was in the mailbox for probably like a couple of days. But for a little background information from my best friend, we've been knowing each other since kindergarten. We basically grew up. There's a one period of time where we were not talking, but we were not fighting. It's just that I didn't have a phone, but she did. We just went to different schools. She moved to a different school, but she still lived in the same city as me. Um, so we reunited around junior year of my high school, and we're video chatting and like talking through Messenger and like Instagram. So that is fun, and ever since we just been connected to each other. And then last year she moved to Indiana, so that was a really tough decision. Um, I never imagined myself her leaving California, but to be honest, like it would have happened. To be honest, I always support her, like no matter what decision she makes, and like I will still have love for her, and we're still best friends to this day. We just, I do work, and like she's not working and she's not in school, so but she is doing well without doing school. So I do miss her. I'm not gonna lie, I do miss her, and there were times where I actually cry because I just don't know when I'm gonna see her again in person. So this video is pretty much for her. Um, I will be opening on camera her present, and then I'm just gonna shut my mouth, and I'm gonna edit and send it to her. So here goes. So, I have her here. The address is like in the back, so like I'm not trying to show my address and her address. So I haven't opened it, but I did like pre-open it, but I don't know what's inside. And it looks like I saw something colorful. There it says from your best friend, and she wrapped it. Very cute snowman. It's funny that I was gonna get this wrapping paper for my family. Very cute. She's so. Here's a card. I'll read a card in a second. You hear that? That was my phone and my Fitbit writing. So much tape. I'm sorry if I feel like okay, everything just exploded. That was a bracelet. Did you read it in our necklace? Okay. Now you wore like a bunch of necklace. And another bracelet. So I have two bracelets. But they're cute. Okay. But I love them though. And she got me another necklace. Very cute. I just have to figure out how I'm gonna put this on. Because I already wear like, I still wear this necklace. But it's beautiful. I really love the color. It's like a blue and pinkish. It's a necklace. It's like those Fishman's necklace, and then this. So I think if I have a shirt that has like these colors, maybe I'll just put them both at the same time. I'm definitely not gonna wear it when I sleep. You- Um, but you're not. I honestly really do love it. And then I need to tell her that I already opened it, but I forgot to take a video of it. So. And this is the card. Should I read this? I'm just gonna read it. Dear best friend, I miss you and I miss video chatting with you. I know you've been busy with work and school, but we'll always be best friends, no matter what. Nothing will spare our friendship, and I hope you like your gift. Best friends forever. Like I don't like. I'm gonna cry. Like it's hard for us to talk sometimes because I do work, especially in December. There was a lot of hours. Like my shit lady says, "I'm your best friend. Merry Christmas." And like it's hard, but at the same time, like, I do miss talking to her. And I try to submit her my schedules. Just we've been busy, so I didn't show you the bracelets. So literally, was two bracelets. Um, maybe I'll put them together, but for the most part, maybe I'll wear them both. Not that big of a deal. But I just want to tell you guys that I love her gift. Like it sounds like I don't like her gift, but I really do love her gift. I always like everything that she gives me. Like I'm very grateful for her. I can't imagine my life without meeting her. If I didn't like move here or like went to the same school as her, I just felt like we would have not met if I never came here in like this city where I live. I live in Van Nuys, you guys don't want to know, but that's all for today. Hope you guys didn't think this video was boring. Like literally, that was my reaction basically because I was like surprised and like in a way like I had a feeling it was something small, but I'm still grateful for her and I'm gonna I gotta text her later that I got her gift and I already opened it. So, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys on the next one. And stay tuned because there's another story time I want to talk about, but I'm kind of like semi ready about it. Bye guys.